Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our midweek makeup class. I hope you had a good university festival experience, made some new friends or connections. Now remember, the reason why we do this, there are two reasons. Basically, an experience reason to help you develop your video communication skills, how to present yourself in a virtual meeting, because you will take part in many virtual meetings in your careers. And in participating, sometimes passive, you watch in the meeting, but as you develop your experience, you will be a participant. You will have to use your PowerPoint presentation skills, video presentation skills. No, I'm not going to, that's beyond the realm of our task. I won't give you the task of making videos. That is specialized experience, and we don't have to explore that part of video communication at the present time. So, shall we start? Can I see my speaker's hands? Thank you. Thank you. So, now I'm reading glasses, reality vision glasses, two pair. This one helps my aged eyes recognize letters. And these help me see far away. But my camera, the camera that I'm using, is on my big screen because I'm looking mainly at my big screen. But so you can see everything, my screen is half a meter away from me, which is at the limit. So sometimes it looks like I'm really focusing hard because the letters are small. Gallery view. So I will put you in your breakout rooms. Now you've listened to me give my comments to the speakers. So I want to hear your group opinion. Leaders will tell us your group opinion. I want to hear your opinion of the best presentation of today and why. So we have nice time, so I will give you 10 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, one, open.